What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video here on my channel. So Elgato recently released the Stream Deck Mobile, which turns your iPhone into a Stream Deck, and I thought I'd make a quick comparison video between the iPhone app and the Stream Deck and see how it compares to each other. Basically it looks promising, and I would say let's get into it right after the intro. So I'm here on Elgato's website, and you see they announced the Stream Deck Mobile, which turns your iPhone into a Stream Deck. You can have this for 3 days free, and if you decide to keep it, then they will charge you $2.99 for a monthly subscription and $24.99 for a yearly subscription, which is a fair price, I would say. Let's have a quick look over the website here. So yeah, it's only available on the iPhone. You can see basically has all the functions the big Stream Decks have as well. They have a extra large Stream Deck now as well. You can see someone cooking here, having the iPhone in front of him. And yeah, it looks alright, and I would say we jump right into the Stream Deck application and see how they compare. So basically first you have to link it. That's pretty easy. So you just click here and say add iPhone, then you scan this QR code and then you're all done. I've already done that, so you see the Stream Deck here. My iPhone X is here and my Stream Deck is here. I also copied my profile over from the regular Stream Deck to the iPhone, so you can switch in between them. And yeah, you basically see they look the same. And yeah, I would say just jump into like the first folder here, and you see it switches on the desktop right away, and it's pretty responsive. You can do pretty much everything. Like I can open Audacity here directly from the Stream Deck and see Audacity is opening up, and yeah, pretty much everything. So I have my folders here, the folders I use on my stream, and here's the CPU, my Spotify button, so I can turn it to 50%, 100%, see the track which is running at the moment. And yeah, when I go to stream I have those as well. I can switch my scenes here within Streamlabs OBS, so pretty much it's all the same. And if you look at the Stream Deck here, I'll quickly close Audacity to show you that it opens here as well. So I switch to the Stream Deck here now, and if I go to stream, you see all my stream settings here, can tweet and stuff like that. It's pretty much the same. And if I go to the apps, I can also open Audacity from here. And so yeah, and I have them open both at the same time now. They basically show the same profile. I copied the profile over, and yeah, so jump into the apps, for example. And as you can see on my desktop, I switched to the Stream Deck itself. So let's see if I can use the iPhone as well. Let's open Audacity, and Audacity opens up from here. And when I close it and I go here into Audacity, I open it from here, it opens as well. So you're able to use both at the same time. That's also a nice feature. If one Stream Deck is not enough for you, then you can use two with different profiles. So that's pretty neat as well. So let's see. If we close this here, let me close that Brave browser real quick. So let's see how that works. Like for example, if I go into apps and I open up the Brave browser here, Brave browser is opening, and I open Audacity from the Stream Deck itself, and that works as well. So we can kind of use the iPhone and the Stream Deck simultaneously, which is a nice thing. And I would say everything works perfect so far for me. I mean, everyone who worked with a Stream Deck before knows that it's easy to use. You have all your different options over here, and for example, if you want to add something, like you want to add a tweet, you want to tweet out, you just drag and drop that here as link to my account, and you can just type in the text, and whenever you hit the button it will send out the tweet. And yeah, the Stream Deck is really nice if you're streaming, or if you just want to use it to open applications for shortcuts and stuff like that. It's a really nice thing to have, and I guess it's easier than ever now to use it on the iPhone, and it's affordable. I would say $25 a year is a nice price, and I would say that's it for the video. If you have any questions regarding the Stream Deck itself or the iPhone application, let me know in the comments below, and if you liked this video, hit the subscribe and bell button to get notified about all my upcoming videos here on my channel. Thanks everyone for watching, and see you next time.